Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from the three colleges which are going to cover the 10 to 15 departments approximately, and for this post the UGC NET qualification is not mandatory. So without UGC NET also you can apply for this one, and there is no exam. Selection will be based upon the interview process. Okay, so we are going to see the details regarding all these three colleges notification in this video. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. So, and I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Gyan Manjari group of colleges. So from this one, the assistant professor vacancies are announced here. You may check down. The group of colleges is nothing but here the Institute of Technology and Engineering College, Pharmacy College, Computer Application. So these are the different colleges, and here you can check down the degree and diploma engineering or the degree pharmacy and a master of computer applications. Colleges invite fresh applications from suitable candidates for the following positions. So coming to the subject, computer, information technology, mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics and communication, mathematics, chemistry, physics and MCA. So here the assistant professor, associate and the professor vacancies, and here the lecturer vacancies are also mentioned here. So you may check down, and mail ID is provided here, hr@gmit.edu.in. So organizations are also looking for enthusiastic administrative and library staff. The qualification for above branch or subject and pay scale or as per the AICTE, GTU and PCI norms. So you may send your soft copy as well as the hard copy of a complete CV with the necessary all documents through email and India Post within 10 days of the advertisement publication, and the number of vacancies may vary depending upon the availability of the candidates. Okay, so it is a one advertisement from the Gyan Manjari group of colleges. And while coming to the next one is Saint Aloysius College. Okay, and here the phone number is given here 047722212264, and the email ID is also provided. So applications are invited from the eligible candidates for the post of assistant professor. Here the subjects are English 1 and Physics 1 and Commerce 3. So age and qualifications are as per the UGC, government and university rules. Application form can be had from the college office itself, which costs 1000 rupees. Duly filled in application along with all required documents should reach the manager within 1 month from the date of this notification. Those who have applied earlier need not apply. Okay, so all these notifications are released in the December itself, okay, just 2 to 3 days back. Okay, why? Because I collected this information from the facultytic.com. Okay, so it is a one notification, and the second one is Amar Shahid Baba Ajit Singh, so Memorial College. From this one, the applications are invited from the following grant in aid posts of assistant professor within 21 days from the publication of this advertisement by registered or speed post, initially on contract basis for 3 years as per DPA memo is mentioned. So English 2, mathematics and economics, commerce, history, Punjabi, political science, library and clerk 1 each. Okay, terms and conditions are as per the UGC or DPA and Punjab University, and application can be addressed to the undersigned with copy to Dean, College Development Council, Punjabi University. Okay, and here the contact number is given here, so please note down if you are having any queries regarding this notification. So you may contact that number 01881 263533. Okay, so it is a contact number, guys. So total, these are the three different types of notifications from the three different colleges regarding the assistant professor. So you may apply for these jobs. Okay. So for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.